Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to set price alerts on Coinbase. Start off by tapping open your Coinbase application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into it. Simply tap on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, enter your credentials on the next page, and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. Tap on Profile and Settings right under your name at the top. From this page, scroll all the way down until you find Notification Settings and give it a tap. Under Customize Notifications, you should see an option that says Price Alerts. Tap it on. From this page, you can select to have alerts push to your phone or only alert you within the app. You can also enable email notifications by tapping on the toggle button right next to email. Price alerts will notify you when there are large swings in price over a short period of times on Coinbase. That is how you can easily enable price alerts through the mobile application using your iPhone. It lets you know about the price movements for a specific cryptocurrency. How to delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone. If you're done using Coinbase Wallet application and you'd like to get rid of it right from your mobile devices, now let's jump right into the video. In order to delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone, spot the application from the app drawer. Press hold to the app and you should see a pop-up menu. Select Remove App from the list. To delete the application entirely from your iPhone, tap on Delete App button in red. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on Delete. That is how you can easily delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone. In the future, if you want to get the application back again, you'll need to go ahead and download it from your app store. How to change your phone number on Coinbase. To change phone number on Coinbase is simple. Tap open your Coinbase application and tap Sign In at the top right hand corner. Enter your credentials, that is your email and your password, and tap Sign In. Right where it says enter a 7-digit code that we texted to your phone number, tap on I need help and select I need to update my phone number in the pop-up menu beneath. Now, enter your credentials for your Coinbase account by entering your email first and then your password on the next field. Now, soon after you enter your information, you'll be taken to this page. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see two options displayed. Select Phone Number option. Type in your current phone number in the first text box where it says Current Phone Number and choose your country from the drop-down. Right where it says New Phone Number, type in the new phone number that you'd like to change to. Tap Continue at the bottom right. You'll need to enter the verification code that has been sent to the new number that you just typed in. Enter the verification code in the text box and tap Continue at the bottom right. You'll need to verify your ID in order to make sure that it is really you making the changes to your account. Select an ID type from the list below in order to confirm your identity. You can choose between your passport, driver's license, or photo ID. If you don't have one of these IDs, tap on I don't have one of these IDs. Select one of the options that is available to you. Let me tap on my passport option and capture the front of your ID by tapping on this image right here at the top. Choose a picture from your photo library or take a photo right now from your camera. Once you verify your identity, you'll be able to change your phone number on Coinbase. Your verification process will take about up to 5 minutes, so be patient with it, and that is how you can easily change your phone number on Coinbase. Click open your web browser of your choice and log into your Coinbase account. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Once you're signed into your Coinbase account on your desktop, go to your profile icon at the upper right hand corner and click it on. In the pop-up menu, click on Settings. Now, from the top of the page, select Security. This is your security settings page. Scroll a bit down and right where it says Authenticator, click on the select button right next to it. Now type in the two-step verification code that will be sent on your mobile phone. Click on Confirm. On the next page, it says that you'll need to install an Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you can simply go ahead and install the Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan this QR code with the Authenticator app. Grab your mobile device and go to your Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator. Once you find the application, download it on your smartphone. Once you're done with it, click on Open to launch the app open. Once you launch it open, tap on the plus button in the lower right-hand corner and click on Scan a QR code. Place the QR code reader within red lines and point it towards your screen where the QR code is available. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add Coinbase on your Google Authenticator. Copy this verification code from your Google Authenticator app and type it into the text box. Click on Enable and you've successfully enabled the Google Authenticator for your Coinbase. Remember that enabling your Google Authenticator will disable SMS code delivery. Disabling it back again will re-enable SMS codes on your device.
How you can change your phone number on Coinbase. If you've recently changed your phone number and you'd like to update that on your Coinbase, in order to change your phone number on your Coinbase, tap Open your Coinbase application. You can do this on your desktop as well. Make sure that you're logged into your Coinbase account, and from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. This will open up expanded menu. Tap on Profile and Setting right under your name. And from the options displayed right beneath Account tab, select Phone Numbers. Your registered phone number will be displayed on the screen. If you'd like to change into a new phone number, tap on Add a phone number. Now, select your country code from the drop-down and type in your phone number. Make sure to type in the valid phone number that you have access to, since you'll need to verify your phone number on the next page. Once you type in the phone number, tap on the Continue button in blue. Now you'll receive a 2-step verification code sent to your previous mobile number. Simply type in your 7-digit code in the text box and tap on Submit. On the next page, you'll need to enter the 7-digit code that has been sent to your new mobile number. Simply type it in the text box. Once you type in the 7-digit code, tap on Submit at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a phone number on your Coinbase account. The new number that you just added will be used as an active phone number for Coinbase. You can always remove the phone number by tapping on Remove right next to the phone number.
How to find a Bitcoin address on Coinbase. Open up your web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account if necessary. Once you are in, from the main homepage of Coinbase, click on Send and Receive button at the upper right-hand corner. Make sure that you are clicked on the Receive tab and you'll be able to see the QR code and your wallet address displayed on the page. Right where it says Bitcoin, if you click it on, you'll be able to select other assets as well. In order to find your Bitcoin address, make sure that you are clicked on the Bitcoin option, and right under it, you'll be able to see your Bitcoin address popping up in the display. If you want to receive Bitcoin from someone, you'll need to send them this address right here. Simply click on the copy link and send it to your friends with whom you'd like to receive Bitcoin from. That is how you can find your wallet address for Bitcoin using Coinbase.
How to add a payment method on Coinbase. Open up your Coinbase application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your Coinbase account first. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, right where it says Add Payment Method, give it a click. You can now choose credit or debit card option from the display. Give it a tap. On the next page, go ahead and type in your name that is available on your credit or debit card and type in your card number in the next field. After you're done, type in your expiration date on the next field. Now, type in your CVC number and finally, type in your postal code in the last text box. Soon after you have a valid debit or credit card added on your payment method, you'll be able to see Add Card option popping up. Simply tap on Add Card and you'll be able to add a payment method for Coinbase. How you can recover your Coinbase account. If you've forgotten your Coinbase password while logging into your account, then follow the steps. Open up your Coinbase app and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface displayed. Tap on the Sign In button at the upper right-hand corner and you'll be asked to enter your email and your password. If you remember your credential, then that's great. Simply type it in the text boxes. But if you don't, then tap on Forgot Password link beneath the Sign In button in order to recover your account. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your email address one more time. Make sure to enter the valid email address that is associated with your Coinbase account. And once you're done with it, tap on Reset Password. Now, if your Coinbase account exists for the particular email address, you'll be sent an email instruction on how you can reset your password. Simply open up your email service provider that is associated with Coinbase. In my case, since I'm using my Gmail service provider, I'll be receiving an email inside my Gmail inbox. Tap Open your email that you received and tap on Reset Password link. Now, on the next page, you'll get to choose a new password for yourself. type in a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that no one else will be able to guess, and head over to the next field where it says confirm password. Type in the new password one more time, and finally, after you're done selecting a strong password for yourself, click on update password. Soon after you do that, you have successfully reset your password. Now what you'll need to do is enter the 7-digit code that has been sent to your mobile number, where it says enter 2-step verification code. Once you type in the code correct, you have an option to select. If you don't want to be asked for the code again on this particular device for 30 days, you can tap on this box right beneath. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave it unchecked. Finally, after you're done entering your verification code, tap on verify. Wait for a few seconds. And with this, you have successfully recovered your password for Coinbase. Next time you log into your account, remember to enter the new password that you just reset to. That is how it is done. How to know your Coinbase wallet address. If you want to receive a cryptocurrency from someone using your Coinbase, then remember that every cryptocurrency exchange has its own unique cryptocurrency wallet address. If you want to receive a Bitcoin from someone, you'll need to send them your Bitcoin wallet address in order to get it on your wallet. It's very important to find your Coinbase wallet if you are to receive a cryptocurrency from anyone. So, let me show you how to find your Coinbase wallet address. Simply open up your Coinbase application from your mobile device. You can also do this on your desktop. Once you open up your Coinbase application, make sure that you are logged into it. In order to find your Coinbase wallet address, tap on the Receive button from the main homepage. Now, always be sure to select the right cryptocurrency. Remember that if you send a crypto to the wrong address, then your crypto will be lost. Tap on I understand at the bottom and proceed further. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your QR code displayed and your wallet right beneath the QR code. Now you can select what cryptocurrency you'd like to receive. By default, it is showing me the Bitcoin option. If you tap on that, you'll be able to select more assets from the list. In my case, I would like to receive some Bitcoin, so let me just put it to Bitcoin for now. As you can see that my wallet address has been displayed at the top with a QR code in it. If you'd like to receive a Bitcoin from a certain someone, then this is the wallet address that you'd like to share. Simply copy the wallet address by tapping on copy and share your wallet address to the person that you'd like to receive the Bitcoin from. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address, whether it be your Bitcoin or any other assets. You can easily receive crypto from your fellow friends, but remember to always share the right wallet address since you don't want to lose your fund. How to add a bank account on Coinbase. In order to buy a particular assets on Coinbase, you'll need to first link a bank account or a method of payment. Open up a web browser of your choice and first make sure you sign into Coinbase account. Type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account by pressing on sign in at the upper right. In the login area, type in your email and your password. Once you log into your account, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner from the main homepage. In the pop-up that appears, click settings. From the options popping up at the very top, select payment methods. Click on add a payment method, select credit or debit card option. Go ahead and type in the name on your card at the very top and then type in your card number associated with the bank. Once you do that, type in your expiration date, your CVC number, and your postal code. Finally, click on Add Card and you'll be able to add a bank account to Coinbase and use it as your payment method. How to log out of Coinbase using your Android device. Now let's jump right into the video. Logging out of Coinbase on Android is simple. If you're already logged into your Coinbase and you don't know how to log out of it, then from the main homepage, you'll be able to see a hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. Tap it on in order to bring up an expanded menu. At the bottom of the menu, tap on Sign Out and confirm your selection by tapping on Sign Out one more time in the pop-up displayed beneath. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out or sign out of Coinbase app on Android. If you want to log in back again, you'll need to tap on the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner. Enter your credentials, and that way, you'll be able to log in back again. How to enable dark mode on your Coinbase. In the Coinbase mobile application, you can make adjustments to your display appearance in order to fit your viewing preferences. In today's video, I'm using my iPhone. You can also do this on your Android phone. The process is much more similar, so simply follow the steps. Open up your Coinbase application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into it. From the main homepage of Coinbase, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. This will bring up an expanded pop-up menu. In order to change your display settings, go to the Profile and Settings button at the top right under your name. This will open up your profile. Scroll a bit down and under Display, tap on Appearance. Select the theme that you'd like to use from the options displayed. If you use the device's default settings, then you'll be able to see this white background on your appearance. You can also change it to dark mode by tapping on Dark at the bottom, and that is how you can easily enable the dark mode on your Coinbase application. The dark mode is easy for your eyes and looks much more attractive. It also preserves your battery life and much more.
How to delete your Coinbase account. If you are done with Coinbase and you'd like to get rid of the account information and you'd like to delete your Coinbase account, then here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser to get started, and in the URL box, type in the official URL, that is coinbase.com, into the search box and press enter. From the official homepage, click on the sign in link at the top right and make sure that you are logged into your Coinbase account. If you are not, go ahead and enter your email address associated with Coinbase and click continue. Enter your Coinbase account's password on the next page and click continue again. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account you'd like to delete, go and click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click Settings. Click on the Activity tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down and find Close Account button at the bottom of the screen. Remember that in order to close your account, you'll need to withdraw all of the funds that is left on your Coinbase, and after you are done with it, then only you'll be able to delete your account. Once you are done withdrawing your funds or transferring your funds to another account, click on Close Account button. Enter the password for your Coinbase account in the text box and click on Close Account button. That is how you can easily delete your Coinbase account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.